El-Rufai to pay 900 million naira over illegal arrest of a Kaduna elders. Okay, the court has imposed a 900 million naira for him to pay. Okay, a federal high court sitting in Kaduna has awarded the sum of 900 million naira in damages after against the former governor of Kaduna State, Malam Nasir El-Rufai, and 5 others who, over the violation of fundamental human rights and unlawful imprisonment of Southern Kaduna Adara elders in 2019. So El-Rufai is going to pay from his own pocket or from government coffer. I don't understand. Did he arrest them, personally or under the guise of a government? Delivering judgment on Tuesday, Justice Hawas Buhari found El-Rufai personally liable for orchestrating the arbitrary arrest and detention of Mr. Awemi Dio Misamari, then president of the Adara Development Association, along with 8 other elders. That is not it will not work. Uh-huh. In fact, it will not even work. El-Rufai will not be able to pay that money. I'm sure they just want to start tossing him around, bringing all manner of things, so that he will not even have time for any coalition of any sort. The court dismissed preliminary objections by the respondents who argued that the Federal High Court lacks jurisdiction, that the filing exceeded the legal time frame, and that the matter was a tort and not a fundamental rights issue. Justice Buhari ruled that the objections lacked merit and proceeded to judgment. The judgment award 900 million naira in compensation against Malanasi El-Rufai for orchestrating the arrest. Is he in his own personal capacity or from the government angle? Hmm. The court also awarded 10 million naira in general damages and 10 million naira in special damages against the Nigeria Police Force, the Inspector General of Police, and the Commissioner of Police, Kaduna State, third to fifth respondents. Okay, Gloria Mabiam Balasin Esquire counsel for the applicants hailed the ruling as a landmark victory for human rights and accountability. She emphasized that immunity while in office does not protect leaders from accountability after leaving office. My question is that did this man not take that decision as a governor? Did he take it as El-Rufai? That is what we see have to take notes, because in Nigeria now it is not everything that you just hear and you'll be jumping over it. Because the more you look, the less you see. Watch out for more. See who is fighting for presidency. Like, that is exactly what they want to do, just to distract him. The one that is Tinubu is doing, is it not worse? No, the one Tinubu is doing now. See the one who is fighting for presidency. Well, the word of the Lord, according to Psalm 12, verse 6, the word of the Lord are pure words, as silver tried in a furnace of earth, purified 7 times. Well, he boldly made some statements concerning the suppression of non-Muslims, especially Christians, in his government in one of the northern gathering. Mind you, is same environment with Gumi and Co. Therefore, both likely involved. A judge husband was attacked, top probably during first verdict of Nnamdi Kanu. He knows some things. What this one is talking about? You think you're going to get justice? What is the difference between Tinubu and El-Rufai? You go just they jump up and down, nothing will come out of it. Now then they go see use a want to. They just want to distract, digress your attention and to bring confusion here and there. And again, that's exactly what somebody is not saying. Oh, see the person that is fighting for presidency. That is exactly what they want you to be doing. You think there's going to be any meaningful thing for inside this thing? The governor should be jailed for the crime after paying the fine, of course, from his looted funds. The king of Adara, who was murdered, and several witnesses to the exposure of the governor machineries to the attack of southern Kaduna. The governor needs to rot in the now see rot again. The Deborah matter now when we put on all the accusation concerning when Buhari was there that yeah, Buhari and El-Rufai, they were the one that brought all these bandits because the felt Jonathan was not going to hand over to them. See today, for the 8 years of Buhari, they never debunked that they were the one that brought people. Even when El-Rufai confessed that he was paying people, all those people, to stop acquiring innocent people. Everybody just talk about it. What came out of that? That one was very, very, very grievous and very, very heavy. They didn't do anything about it because of this Idara this thing, which is of course supposed to be a big deal. But to me, they would not do anything about it. So if you think there's going to be that anything is going to come out of this whole thing, you must be dreaming. You need to go back to sleep and wake up again. I think that a coalition will not even work because of El-Rufai. People are seeing him as a extremist. Oh. You know El-Rufai does not deserve to be a governor. One, he is an enemy extremist and also a tout. If he is not a tout, how will he gather people after his tenure to pick such ways against Christians in the state? Okay. This is someone gathering coalition to unseat Tinubu. I tell you, see, this is exactly what they want you people to be talking about. It's not as if there's going to be any justice whatsoever concerning the matter on ground. So, guys, let's hear your opinion and have your take on this. Thank you.